Now, talking about this unsupervised machine learning for pattern discovery. So, the unsupervised machine learning for pattern discovery tries to surface the underlying patterns and associations in data when no existing ground truth is known. Means no existing ground truth is known means we are not having any observations as a tagged data set. So within this broad category of methods, the most commonly used are the clustering techniques, where we are grouping the particular data. Within this broad category of methods, the clustering is used for grouping purpose, and that grouping is done on the data sets. For example, the clustering can be used to learn that the natural customer segments in a company's user base. What is the customer's requirement in common that we can have, and we can divide it into various groups. As well as other supervised methods for mining underlying characteristics include principal component analysis, hidden Markov models, topic models, and more. So where we are these methods are basically focusing on finding the common properties in between the various data. So all the machine learning methods not fit nearly into the two categories. For example, collaborative filtering is a type of recommendation algorithm where the elements related to both supervised and unsupervised learning. But there is a twist whenever maybe the predictions are modified when we are having the live feedback, and for that one more type of learning is used, that is called as the reinforcement learning. So today we have seen the broad class of methods and the supervised machine learning for making predictions because we are having the ground truth value, and the unsupervised machine learning for pattern discovery as we are not having the ground truth value. So we are dividing the data into various groups according to the common properties. Now in our next section we will see the types of machine learning algorithms, that is supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Thank you.